I want to show you how to do the J-coupling on this flourine spectrum. This is your spectrum that we run last time on the 400, but I want you to pay attention that for this flourine 19, even though we run it in the 400 megahertz instrument, the frequency is 376 because flourine is at a different frequency. And I will tell you why it's important in a second. So the first thing to do when you want to get something like this with this display over here is the following. So we have here the spectrum. So you can go here to this automatic multiplet analysis icon. You drop the menu there, you click on manual, and then you can select that doublet. So now you have the multiplet selected. If you want to see the text, you will say analysis, multiplet analysis, report multiplets, and that will show you here the text, and then you will have the same display, and the J-coupling between those two peaks is 52.9. Now this is all good, but when you want to do like specific J-couplings, let's say between like this peak and this peak, or at the same time, I think the best thing to do is to actually do manual peak picking, and then do the subtraction and multiply by the frequency. So to do that, let's start from another fresh spectrum. We're gonna go to this icon, which is the peak picking icon, drop the menu and say manual threshold. So you just drag to get all the peaks there, and you have here the peak selected. So if you want to see more decimals or less decimals, you can go here, edit, properties, and for the peaks, you can say, oh, I want to see like 4 decimals. Apply, OK, and then you will see here the 4 decimals. So in order to get the J-coupling between those two peaks, you actually do the subtraction of the absolute values, multiply by the frequency. So that's the frequency of the flourine that you get from here. So that's 376. And that's equal to the hertz. So that's the J-coupling in hertz between those two peaks. And in this way, you can select any of the peaks that you want, do the subtraction, and multiply by the frequency, and you can get those J-couplings. Let me know if you have any more questions. I hope this helps.